Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, Shyam Singh Roy trailer is here. I'm really excited to check the trailer out. And of course, whatever promotional material of this movie has dropped, I have really liked it. Personally, I'm really excited to watch this movie. Nani looks great. And you know, it has intrigued me because there are two timelines, past and present. So let's see the trailer because it's a 3-minute trailer. My only skepticism with such long cut trailers are that I just hope they don't give out like the storyline and all of that, but I hope they won't. So we'll find out. Let's just check out the trailer. Okay, subtitles are on. That is very important. Okay, here we go.
Your device is connected.
One time for your mind, get rocking.
I'm Basu, film director.
Film director. Okay.
Low budget. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ జాబ్ కూడా రిజైన్ చేసి వచ్చాను. నేను నా ఫీమేల్ లీడ్.
Action!
నైస్.
One more!
నీ కెరియర్ నా కర్మ.
ఏమవుతాడే నీకు? బాయ్ ఫ్రెండా? బా
రేయ్ నిజం చెప్పరా.
నిజం ఒప్పుకుంటే నీకే మంచిది.
వాసు విషయంలో ఏం జరుగుతుందో తెలుసుకోవడం ఎలా?
Human consciousness is an ocean full of secrets.
It definitely looks
శ్యామ్
reincarnation.
సింగ్ రాయ్. వాడి గుడిసె జోలికి వెళ్ళావు. నీ ఇల్లు ఎక్కడుందో ఈ శ్యామ్ సింగ్ రాయ్కి బాగా తెలుసు.
నీకెప్పటి నుంచి దేవి మీద ఎంత భక్తి?
భక్తి కాదురా, ప్రేమ.
Oh my god, Sai Pallavi.
నేను ఒక దేవదాసిని, ఆ విషయం మర్చిపోకు.
వీరికి వాళ్ళే కర్మ సిద్ధాంతం మాట్లాడతారు. ఆత్మాభిమానం కన్నా ఏ ఆగమం గొప్పది కాదు. తప్పని తెలిసాక దేవుణ్ణైనా ఎదిరించడంలో తప్పే లేదు.
BGM is yes. Wow. Oh. Intriguing. This is definitely a reincarnation story that I understood because he gets hit and suddenly he remembers his past, like there is a memory flash or something like that. Something gets triggered in his brain. So this is definitely like a reincarnation story. That'll be very interesting to see how they connect the modern Nani and the past one, Shyam Singh Roy. Though where I feel that he goes to Kolkata to shoot something because that's where he gets into a fight and then the memory gets triggered. So oh wow, yes. So I am really excited to see the Shyam Singh Roy, the entire Shyam Singh Roy part of the story, which is between him and Sai Pallavi, because that looks amazing. And his track with Kriti Shetty, I don't know. From the trailer, it looks like a normal love story kind of thing. I just hope it's not just kept as a filler and she has a significant role in the plot. But Sai Pallavi definitely seems to have like her love story with Nani is definitely the most important plot point for the story, like how the story goes, because she says she's a Devdasi, and you know, they were supposed to have a life of celibacy, and they were regarded in a very, though from what I read, because when I did like the first look teaser and all, so then I read up a little bit about Devdasi tradition. So first thing that they were supposed to practice celibacy, and in ancient times, ancient India, like they had a very, very high social status in the society, because they were sort of, you know, dedicated their lives to the temple work and stuff like that. Plus they were very, very highly cultured in terms of the arts, in terms of traditional dancing and all of that, those things, in terms of arts and culture. So they were regarded in a very high they were kept at a very high pedestal. In the British rule, of course, it changed, and then you know, the view, the kind of view that British Empire had for the Devdasi tradition and culture, that was not good. And I don't know how that has been portrayed in the movie. That will be very, very interesting to watch. And because Shyam Singh Roy clearly says that no tradition is more important than your own self-respect. So clearly Sai Pallavi's character falls in love with him, but she can't do anything about it, because she has, it's like marriage of sorts, like, because she has dedicated her life to the temple. So I don't know how that entire thing gets highlighted over here. I'm excited to actually see it. Then of course, how the modern day Nani, his character sort of comes into the picture, and what he does in the present day, we will have to find out. So I love that it being a 3-minute trailer, also they gave out nothing. Like I want to know. I really want to know when the movie releases, and this is going to pull me into the theaters. In terms of the production value, cinematography wise, it's top notch. Looks amazing, especially the past track. I don't know, I feel I'm more excited to see that. And this is the most I have seen, you know, most makeup I've seen that has been put on Sai Pallavi. Honestly, I have always seen her bare face, because she's such a beauty, man. She's such a beauty. So I have seen her mostly bare face, and I'm like, oh my god, she looks so different, because I'm so not used to seeing her with makeup, basically. Even in award shows, public appearances, she's so simple and plain, and just her smile is so charming. She's such a charming personality. I love her. She's awesome. And let's see how Nani's love track with Kriti Shetty happens. So I don't know. From the trailer, it looks like it's not very important, but I hope it is integrated well, and her role is significant. So we'll have to wait for the release only, and then we will find out. Nani looks fantastic, absolutely fantastic. So I hope this is a blockbuster. It looks like a good movie, guys. I just feel that there's a really great story there. Of course, that camera work where that weapon comes out and he holds it, that's a little bit okay, but it's okay. It's a commercial film, guys. These are the things that, you know, make us entertained, and we'll be like, oh yeah, and because I also reacted like, whoa, what a scene. So it's okay. I just hope the entire topic is dealt with properly, and it's just an engaging story. At the end of the day, I'm looking forward to get entertained and have a good storyline and great performances. That's what I want to see. So I wish the team of Shyam Singh Roy all the best. I hope this is a blockbuster and goes down in the history as Nani's, you know, one of Nani's best performances, because it looks like it's going to be that. It looks like it's going to be that. So that was the reaction to the trailer of Shyam Singh Roy. I definitely want to know your thoughts in the comments below, because the look is absolutely top notch, at least in my eyes. So I want to know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will sign off from this video now. I hope you have enjoyed it and have come till the end. I will see you soon on my next video. Bye guys.